sa matagal nyo ng pagkaplano ng inyong bakasyon. Syempre, ayaw nyo pong ma-cancel ito. Travelers and kabayan, to enjoy your vacation, make sure that you do not lose your travel and supporting document or else this could possibly happen to you. Hi kabayan and travelers! Welcome back to another episode of Jamie Iris Talk TV kung saan kayo po ay dadalan ko ng mga videos about travel, career success, buhay OFW, at syempre, health and wellness. So what are you waiting for? Aba, i-click nyo na po yung ating YouTube channel and at the same time, so what are you waiting for? Click nyo na po ang ating subscribe button at notification bell. Paki-follow na rin po tayo sa FB account at TikTok natin. That's Jamie Iris Talk TV. So today, let's talk travel. Kabayan at travelers, ito na po ang ating airline reminder 2.2 kung saan dadalhan ko pa po kayo ng ibang mga posibleng mangyari kung sakasakali po na mawala or you don't have your travel or supporting documents with you at the airport. At syempre, ang layunin po natin ay maiwasan po ninyo na mawala o maiwan ang inyong mga dokumento. Nang sa gayon, you can always keep it with you nang hindi mangyari ang any of this situation sa inyo. And of course, ma-enjoy po ninyo ang inyong vacation. So let's talk travel. Sa matagal nyo na pong pagpaplano at pag-iipon para sa inyong darating na bakasyon, of course, you don't want it cancelled or may mangyaring aberya. So let us just take a look at the second reminder that I have for you from the airlines. And of course, kasama na rin po dyan yung mga legal penalties kung sakasakali pong wala kayo ng mga dokumentong they actually require. In some countries po, or in some cases, losing travel documents may result in legal penalties, especially if the passenger is found to be in violation of immigration laws or regulations of that specific country. Maari po, kasama na po dito yung fines, legal proceedings, or even criminal charges in extreme cases. So, please just make sure that you have the documents with you, valid ang pasaporte, yan po. And then, number 5, kapag nawala po yung dokumento, hindi lang naman po yung bakasyon ninyo, yung mga antala, but actually replacing the documents kapag nawala ito ay hindi ganun kadali. Dahil you have to request for it again and processing usually for travel documents take time. Obtaining replacement travel documents can be really time-consuming kabayan and costly din po ang proseso. Especially if the passenger is in a foreign country, it means that this can involve contacting the nearest embassy and consulate of their home country. At the same time, providing proof of identity. At dahil ito ay i-expedite, madalas you have to pay fees for the document replacement. So make sure ingatan niyo po yung mga dokumento ninyo na hindi mawala nang sa gayon ay you don't need to pay for replacement at maghintay ng matagal. Number 6, ito pa. Syempre, once you try to find your documents, there's a big possibility kung sakasakali po na meron pa kayong connecting flight or different itineraries for that day, you might miss it. And at the same time, you might forfeit yung inyong pag-e-enjoy ng destinations na ito. Losing travel documents can actually disrupt a passenger's travel plans, potentially causing them to miss connecting flights or other travel arrangements. Rebooking flights and accommodations may incur additional cost and inconvenience. Alam nyo naman po, bawat change, whether sa airlines po ito, ng date ng flight, or kaya naman po ng time ng flight, ganun din sa hotel booking, there's a possibility kung hindi flexible yung ticket, may change fee yan. And at the same time sa hotel, ganun din. So depende po sa package na kinuha ninyo. So ang maganda po is if you could find a discounted ticket na may flexibility, either yung flight ticket or yung hotel na ibubook ninyo, nang sa gayon, just in case na may mangyari po na ma-delay kayo, you could always change it without paying extra. So, it's very important, especially when you're passing through the security checks, na hindi mawala ang mga dokumento ninyo, lalo na pinapatanggal nila yung jacket natin. And they're asking us to place some of our things dun sa crate. So, siguraduhin nyo lang na hindi maiiwan ang pasaporte, ang ticket, and other travel documents dun sa crate once you're done with the security check, so that you can have peace of mind when you're on your way to board and, of course, to your destination. And last but not the least is, if you have lost your document or any travel requirements, there's a big possibility that you might have lost also your personal belongings, kasi magkakasama sila most of the time. Madalas, ang mga travel documents po natin are kept together with other personal belongings such as the credit card, cash, electronic devices din po. So, kapag nawala po natin ito, a possibility, it might mean that you might have lost also your valuable items, leading to further inconvenience and potential financial loss. So, make sure anywhere you go, ay laging dinodouble check lang po natin if we have it, kasi hindi naman po natin maiwasan, mga kabayan. Minsan natataranta po tayo sa airport, tapos pag may mga delays, alam niyo po yun, tapos pag natataranta kayo dahil medyo kapos na yung time. So always po arrive early sa airport, so that at least have plenty of time just in case of there will be unexpected delay. And as we of course come to an end to this video, my reminder to everyone, from packing your luggage, ensure that you have either a checklist or alam nyo po kung ano yung mga documents you actually need, so that hindi maiiwan sa bahay ang inyong mga travel documents, lalo na kung mahaba ang biyahe ninyo papunta sa airport. And at the same time, make sure once you're on the way to the airport, walang mahuhulog na travel documents sa loob ng sasakyan. So that upon arrival at the airport, confident ka na makakapunta sa check-in counter that you have all the documents with you. At eto pa ha, make sure po, kapag kayo ay nasa check-in counter, very happy kayo, syempre ibibigay na mga dokumento, siguraduhin yung kumpleto po, i-check nyo, wag lang basta kukunin. Kasi minsan, unintentionally, baka merong naiwan na dokumento sa check-in counter, like what happened to the video I've shown you a while ago, naiwan po o kinuha nung check-in personnel yung immigration card ng dalawang travelers natin. End up, hindi po sila pinaboard because they were not able to pass through the immigration border, and they were not able to board the flight and missed their connecting flights then. So to avoid that, mga kabayan, make sure that during check-in, you also check the documents na binibigay pabalik sa inyo ng check-in personnel. So ano-ano po ba yon? Yung pasaporte ninyo, kung visa, kung may OEC, and at the same time, the immigration card if pinakita nyo sa kanila. In the Philippines naman po kasi, hindi naman nila kinukuha yung immigration card. Sinasabi nila na, we don't need this. So usually binabalik sa atin yon. But in that example video, kinuha at niretain sa kanila. So that is what happened to the two travelers. And after your check-in, so wherever you go sa airport, make sure na you have your hand carry and hand luggage with you. Huwag nyo pong iiwan kung saan-saan, lalo na kung nag-iisa kayo. Kahit po sa toilet, you can bring that. Malaki naman po mga comfort room or toilet po doon sa mga airport, so you can actually bring it inside. And even some have, kung nakatrolley kayo, meron din silang malaki na mga cubicle wherein pwede ang trolley. Now, kung may kasama naman kayo, make sure na to tell them not to leave your items anywhere. Ang personal belongings po, ang hand carry, lagi nyo pong tatandaan na huwag nyong kakalimutan. Mga seafarer meron po akong kasamahan before na nakalimutan niya yung mismong bag niya. Andun lahat yung kanyang mga dokumento. And for us, we cannot actually work on board the ship kung hindi kompleto ang dokumento. So, unless the manning agency can actually send all those documents, a copy of those documents within the time period allowed by the ship, then you can stay sa ship. Pag hindi, you will have to go back to the Philippines. And of course, like what I've said earlier, security check, they ask us to remove our jacket, place our things inside the crate. So make sure lang na yung mga travel documents ninyo ay hindi maiiwan dito. And of course, at the boarding gate, make sure that you have all your documents with you. Although, yung ticket na lang po ang titingnan nila, pero siguraduhin nyo lang na hindi naiwan sa upuan. Basta alam nyo po na yung personal documents ninyo ay nasa inyo para po pagdating nyo sa final destination ninyo or destination country ay you won't have any problem and they will allow you to enter kasi kompleto ang dokumento ninyo. So once again, everyone, please ensure that you have your documents with you. Keep it, don't lose it, or else you will be denied boarding. You will have difficulty passing through the security. You will have the inability to enter your destination country. There might be legal penalties, and at the same time, it will be very difficult and costly to replace your documents. Number 6, you may miss your connecting flights and itineraries, which either mean you will have to pay for the change of flights or you might have to forfeit the itinerary you planned. And of course, number 7, loss of personal belongings. So muli mga kabayan, looking forward at this airline reminder that I have for you. Definitely will help you prepare at hindi po kayo maiiwan at maiiwasan po natin na maiwan kayo ng biyahe or ng inyong flight. So if you find this video helpful and informative, please click like and I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel. Click nyo na rin po at ang follow for the FB page at add nyo po ako sa TikTok account. That's jamiearis.tv. So once again, have a pleasant flight. And saan man po tayong tako ng mundo, taas po noo. Tayo'y mga Filipino. May God bless you and I'll see you in my next video. And please watch out for the 3rd airline reminder that can help you prepare for your upcoming vacation or trip. God bless you everyone.